This time on building terminology, counter beam. So the counter beam provides support to hanging beams and ceiling joists and only carries ceiling loads. So you can't strut your roof off a counter beam. It runs in the same direction as the ceiling joists. So zooming in on the counter beam in this roof, you can see that the counter beam runs in the same direction as the ceiling joists. It's carrying the load of these two hanging beams, and therefore it's carrying the load of the ceiling joists in those areas as well. It is packed up 25mm above the plate, so if there is any deflection in the counter beam, it won't stick down into your ceiling line below your ceiling joists.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.